Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Earrings by Angela channel, where we learn, live, and create. This morning, we have a special affirmation exercise, so I would love for you to do this exercise in the mirror. And when you do it, I want you to make eye contact with yourself, okay? This is you talking to your higher self, okay? So for this affirmation, we are going to do it looped style, which is actually me repeating the same affirmation over and over and over. And I invite you to do the same, okay? So make sure that you also stay to the end of this video because I have a very special message for you, okay? So let us begin. I radiate beauty, charm, and grace. 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 Okay, loves, that is the end of our affirmation exercise. Here's a tip. I would love for you to write that affirmation on a sticky note and stick it to your bathroom mirror or your bedroom mirror, wherever you get ready in the morning the most. So that's that subtle reminder that you do radiate that beauty, charm, and grace. Now, here's an upgrade. Yeah, we have an upgrade to that exercise. If you would like to change it, because this is what I do, if you would like to change it, instead of saying I radiate beauty, literally point to yourself in the mirror and give yourself that self-talk and say, you radiate beauty, charm, and grace. And then you can feel it with so many things because after you really feel it and you really believe it, I can assure you that the sassy side of you is going to come out, and so is that confidence. And you might say something like, girl, you are radiating beauty, charm, and grace. Girl, can't nobody tell you nothing. You got it going on. You are the bomb diggity. You are the queen. And your king is out there if he's not with you already. And you're just going to go off and pump yourself up. And I invite you to do that because it's so much fun. And watch how your positive vibes are going to increase. And your positivity is going to flow through the day. And you're going to get this natural glow because you believe it. You feel it. And now you're acting as if. Okay? So, have a wonderful day. Thank you for joining me for this special session. And you guys, I just want you to know I absolutely adore you and thank you for joining me today. Peace and blessings to you all.